Welcome to our channel. In this guide, we will walk you through the steps to fix the issue of apps not loading on your Sony Smart TV. Follow these instructions carefully to resolve the problem and get back to enjoying your favorite content. Step 1. Check your internet connection. Make sure your Sony Smart TV is connected to the internet. Go to the Settings menu, select Network, and then Network Status to check the connection. If your TV is not connected, reconnect to your Wi-Fi network and enter the password if prompted. Step 2. Restart your TV. Sometimes a simple restart can solve many issues. Turn off your TV using the remote or the power button. Unplug the TV from the power outlet and wait for about 60 seconds. Plug it back in and turn it on to see if the apps load. Step 3. Update your TV software. Navigate to the Settings menu, scroll down to About, and select System Update. If an update is available, follow the on-screen prompts to download and install it. Make sure your TV remains connected to the internet during this process. Step 4. Clear cache and data. To clear the cache, go to Settings, then Apps. Find the app that is not loading, select it, and choose Clear Cache and Clear Data. Repeat this for multiple apps if necessary. Step 5. Reinstall the apps. If clearing the cache doesn't work, you can try uninstalling and reinstalling the app. Go to Settings, select Apps, find the app, and choose Uninstall. After the app is removed, go to the Google Play Store or the App Store on your TV, search for the app, and reinstall it. Step 6. Factory reset. Last resort. If all else fails, consider performing a factory reset. Remember that this will erase all settings and installed apps. Go to Settings, select Device Preferences, and then Reset. Follow the prompts to complete the factory reset. Conclusion. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve the issue of apps not loading on your Sony Smart TV. If the problem persists, you may want to contact Sony customer support for further assistance. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and give this video a thumbs up. Thank you for watching.